Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Huzafa Masood. I am currently a final year BDS student here at Dow University of Health Sciences, Karachi. My journey as a dental student started back in 2019 जब मैंने अपना MD CAT एग्ज़ाम दिया and Alhamdulillah I cleared it and I secured a seat here at Dow. Our session started during the initial days of my first year. I was a bit scared, I was a bit confused क्योंकि जो आपकी transition होती है from intermediate student to university student, it is actually not that easy because you have different set of people around you, your friends are different, your teachers are different, so it takes a lot of time to adjust to that environment. Unfortunately for us, our session was just 2 months into our session, and COVID 19 hit us. And because of that, our university was closed and we shifted to online education system. Now, I personally am not a big fan of online system क्योंकि हमारे पास फर्स्ट ईयर में कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स ऐसे होते हैं in which you have to do the practical work to understand the concepts. There is oral anatomy, there is anatomy जिसमें आपको प्रैक्टिकल वर्क करना होता है in order to understand the theoretical knowledge, and unfortunately that wasn't possible for us. But despite the circumstances, our teachers actually did a tremendous job in delivering their knowledge, delivering their lectures via the online system. Of course, it wasn't easy for them as well क्योंकि first time था सबका online system में, but they actually did a tremendous job at that. So yeah, I don't actually have a lot of memories from the first year. पूरा तकरीबन online था वो, तो आखिर में papers हुए and alhamdulillah I got a 3.86 GPA in that. Then second year started. Second year में हमारे पास we have got a relatively interesting subject. We have pharmacology, we have pathology, we have oral pathology and we have dental materials. सो सेकेंड ईयर में हमारे कोविड केसेस समवॉट डिक्रीज हो गए थे, सो वी हैड अ हाइब्रिड लर्निंग सिस्टम लाइक प्रैक्टिकल्स वर हेल्ड एट यूनिवर्सिटी जबकि लेक्चर्स हमारे ऑनलाइन होते थे. सो इट वाज एक्चुअली द सेकेंड ईयर जब हमने प्रैक्टिकल वर्क अपना किया, एंड इट वाज ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम दैट आई डेवलप्ड अ डीप इंटरेस्ट फॉर द डेंटिस्ट्री. क्योंकि सेकेंड ईयर में वी गॉट टू नो कि हाउ मच एक्यूरेसी, हाउ मच प्रिसीशन दिस फील्ड एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्स. So yeah, second year was a good year. The practical work was really good, really interesting. So second year khatam hua and papers हुए, and again alhamdulillah I got a 4.0 GPA in that. Then third year start हुआ. For me, it is the third year that really, that your journey really starts as a dental student. क्योंकि थर्ड ईयर से you now get your clinical rotations. और so हम क्लिनिकल वार्ड में जाते हैं, डिफरेंट स्पेशलिटीज़ में जो है वो हम जाते हैं, सच एज़ ऑर्थोपेडिक्स, सच एज़ कार्डियोलॉजी, सच एज़ जनरल मेडिसिन, जनरल सर्जरी. So by visiting different different wards, different disciplines of medicine, you actually learn a lot about diseases, about their pathology, about their treatment, and as a whole about the medicine. So third year was actually really good for me. Um in third year we have much more interesting subjects as well. Those are the clinical subjects such as medicine, surgery, oral medicine. So you actually enjoy studying third year. So for me third year was hands down the best year. uh, uh, I actually have a lots and lots of great memories of the third year. So yeah, third year फिर ख़त्म हुआ हमारा third year. Also it was during the third year that I explored our campus as well. So actually हमारा जो campus है, it actually has a lots of great facilities there. The patient, we get to see a lot of different cases every day, since it's a government hospital, so we get a lot of patient as well. So yeah, third year was actually really really good. After that final year हमारा start हुआ. Yeah, final year is actually the most difficult of the 4 years, क्योंकि इसमें आपका जो course burden है it increases significantly. Difficulty level is actually also increases significantly. So and plus the clinical work now mostly correlates around the dentistry. Mostly हमारा जो clinical work है वो dentistry की ही सब specialties में ही होता है. For example operative dentistry, then we have got surgery, oral and maxillofacial surgery, then we have got orthodontics, then we have got prosthodontics. So these are the four subjects of the final year, in which we study their theory as well as the practical work. So final year is actually much more demanding in terms of your physically as well as mentally, because the clinical work is also great as well as the theory as well. So yeah, final year is a bit difficult, but I am enjoying it thus far. I am almost near the completion of my final year, and so far it's been really great. The clinical work has been really great. So at the end, I would say कि for all the potential dentists, all the aspirants who are willing to come into this field, just think about the moment जब आप किसी पेशेंट का पेन रिलीव करेंगे, जब आप किसी पेशेंट को आप पेशेंट की जो डिजीज़ है उसको जब आप ट्रीट करेंगे, एंड द पेशेंट sees you with a smile, the patient thanks you with a smile. For me, this is actually the best moment, the best thing about this field. So yeah, and also this is a sort of field which requires a lot of your time, a lot of your efforts, a lot of your dedications. So if you are willing to dedicate yourself, if you are willing to learn, if you are willing to devote yourself and your time, I would say this is actually one of the best fields in the entire medicine. Okay, and just in the last, just a message for everyone, just work hard, work hard, work your best. जितना आप हार्ड वर्क कर सकते हैं, जितनी आप मेहनत कर सकते हैं, यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. दिस टाइम इज़ नॉट गोना कम बैक. अपनी मेहनत पूरी करें, अपना हार्ड वर्क दें, अपनी एफर्ट्स दें, एंड देन लीव द रिजल्ट टू द ऑलमाइटी अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला. ऑलराइट, थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीवन. अल्लाह हाफिज़.